Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you open a chat GPT today, you will see something like this because it has stopped working. I'm not sure whether the life of this chat GPT end up today. But yeah, so in all of your devices, if you go to and open your chatgpt.com, you'll find the issue like this. And there is no way you will be able to log in. So I think again there may be some attack around on the cloudflare.com, but yeah, it is too early to announce this. But yeah, this is coming error here. And if you in my case, all location and everything is fine, and I'm not using any third party tool for changing the location. It's just a normal one, ChatGPT, I'm using. So if I go to Cloudflare, Cloudflare protects this website, but something went wrong trying to reach you. Okay, so this is coming here. If you open that, okay, so there may be some issue. The soon it will be there will be update from the chat GPT, but yeah, it is not working. So please try this at your end, and maybe you will face the same issue, and you can comment here. Thank you.